Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important in educational psychology, scope of educational psychology. The scope of educational psychology encompasses a wide range of topics related to human learning and development, including, first of all, development psychology, the study of how individuals develop cognitively, emotionally, and socially throughout their lives and how this affects their learning. Second one is cognition and learning, the study of how people process, store, retrieve, and use information, as well as the factors that influence learning, such as motivation, memory, and transfer. Third one is assessment and measurement, the design and evaluation of methods for assessing learning and educational outcomes, including standardized tests and performance based assessment. Fourth one is instructional design and technology, the study of effective teaching methods and the design and use of educational technologies to enhance learning. Fifth one is very important, motivation, the study of the factors that influence persons' willingness to engage in and persist at a task, including intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Sixth one is personality and individual differences, the study of individual differences in cognitive, emotional, and motivational process, as well as the implications for learning and educational practices. Seven one is very important, diversity and equity, the examination of the ways in which cultural, linguistic, and socio-economic factors affect learning and the development of effective educational practices to support all students.